Hello children. Today we are with the comprehension for Unit 1 Part B. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Now let's have a quick view at the points to remember. Write the answer in the tense in which the question is asked. Don't write the sentence as it is from the passage. Write the answer as briefly as possible. Do not start any answer with because. Draw a line after each answer. And write the same question number which is given in the question paper for the respective answer. Now let's go to the passage. Here is the passage. That is about Walt Disney, how he started his career as a cartoonist. About Thomas Alva Edison, how he was rejected in school. And now let's have the objective type questions. Choose the correct answer. Walt Disney was inspired by a small shed, small church, small mouse, small cartoon. Yes, the right answer is small mouse. In the phrase, a small mouse-infested shed, the word infested means to gradually in the body size, inhabit a place in large numbers, rear mice as pets, make a place free from mice. Yes, the right answer is inhabit a place in large numbers. Look children, mice. Mice is the plural of the word mouse. Now to the third objective type question. According to the passage, we can infer about Henry Ford that he was forgetful and never achieved success, not eligible to be called a successful person, a failure all throughout his life, forgetful but successful in his life. Now if we look at the passage, we can see that Henry Ford had forgotten to put the backward gear of his forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car he made, and later he became successful. Hence, if we look at the question here, it is such that according to the passage, we can infer about Henry Ford that he was forgetful and never achieved success, or not eligible to be called a successful person, a failure all through his life, or forgetful but successful in his life. Yes, the answer is he was forgetful but successful in his life. Now answer the following questions. How can failure be converted into success as per the passage? Failure can be converted into success by learning from the failure and moving on. Yes, from each failure we need to learn a lesson and never repeat the same mistake again. You have learnt about many people who are successful after many failures. What are the qualities required according to you to gain success? The qualities to gain success are perseverance. Perseverance means going on trying till the end, till we reach our goal. The continuous trial is called perseverance. Determination. Determination means strong willpower. At any cost I will do it. Optimism. Optimism means positive attitude, to look at the positive side. Confidence, that is a belief in oneself. Consistency, the stable mindset that we can do it. So these are the qualities that we require to gain success. Hope you all understood how to make a comprehension. Thank you children, thank you, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.